Hello, and welcome to my travel mentorship program. My name is Dr. Emma Shapiro, and I'm so excited and so thankful that you have taken this amazing step towards becoming a successful traveler. I'm an experienced travel PT, and after starting traveling myself, feeling lost, confused, and not really sure who to trust, I decided to make this program absolutely free so that there were no barriers to entry to this truly amazing career route that's so flexible and lucrative and really amazing for your career. So here's how my travel mentorship program works. It is really flexible and easy for you to have. Basically, right now you're looking at the online course. So when you first sign up, you should have had this thank you for my travel mentorship page, which you're on right now. And this is the intro video. In a couple minutes, you should receive an email from me, debtfreept@gmail.com, that says, "Welcome to Travel Mentorship." And that will have the links to this online course that you're seeing right now called the Ultimate Course on Travel Healthcare. This course is comprehensive. It is over 2 hours, but it's easy to digest and do here and there. It's got individual videos on licensing, on what to ask travel companies, how to talk to travel recruiters, how to make sure you're choosing the best facility or setting for you, and so much more. And these are all in easy to digest, roughly 5 to 10-minute videos. So you can literally log in, and if there's a question you have simply about, companies, click that, or licenses, just click that. You don't have to listen to it all at once. You can sort of pick and choose. I've made it very easy for you to follow. In fact, once you hit this enroll for free from the link in the email that you should be getting shortly, you'll then be taken to my course here, which you can see has a lot of stuff in it. But they're all easy to follow, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, different videos. There's an intro to travel section here, which overviews the basics about traveling, how to get started, sort of the start to finish overview of the whole travel process. And then you have section 2, which is the exact steps. So the requirements to travel, how to choose your travel company, your recruiter, the application, even how to do a resume, finalizing your job search, interviewing, negotiation, travel timelines. And then nuances are in section 3, housing, licenses, overcoming new grad challenges, and keeping the most out of your paycheck, and so much more. I really think this course will help you along the way. In addition to this course, in the email, you should find 3 travel recruiters that I vetted and I trust. They have years of experience. They aren't going anywhere, which is nice. You won't have that I got a travel recruiter and then they disappeared on me. These guys are amazing and they're extremely knowledgeable. So in addition to my advice and help along the way, use them as a resource as well. So in addition to providing you with their information, I've also contacted the travel companies, those recruiters that I mentioned, because I want this to be seamless and easy for you. And so those 3 companies will be contacting you shortly via email and then reaching out and seeing if you have any questions, sharing the job opportunities that they currently have, and various things like that to help you get started along the way. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at debtfreept@gmail.com, and I'd be happy to try to answer them, whether it be questions about negotiations, you want me to look over your resume. I'm truly here to help. So thank you again, and good luck on your travel career.